Want to keep your food fresher for longer? I'll show you where everything belongs and why. Say goodbye to spoiled food and hello to smart fridge organization. Top shelf, ready-to-eat foods like leftovers and deli meats. Reason: this zone has the most stable temperature. Middle shelf, dairy and cooked meals such as milk, yogurt, cheese, and eggs. Reason: it stays cool and steady. Bottom shelf, raw meat, chicken, and fish, always sealed. Reason: it's the coldest part and stops drips onto other food. Drawers, fruits and vegetables. Fruits in low humidity, veggies in high humidity. Reason: keeps produce fresh longer. Door shelves, sauces, juices, and condiments. Reason: it's the warmer spot, safe only for preserved items. Keep fridge at 0 to 4 degrees and freezer at -18 degrees.